In today's video, we will talk about a very special and holy journey, Hajj. This journey is not just physical, but spiritual too. Hajj flights from Pakistan for 2025 started on the 29th of April. Flights are going from cities like Islamabad, Karachi, Lahore, Quetta, and Malta. Pakistan International Airlines, PIA, and private airlines like Serene Air and Air Sayal are part of the Hajj operation. Hajj costs depend on many things, like if you're going through the government scheme, or a private one, the type of accommodation, and other services. Under the government scheme, about 80,000 pilgrims will perform Hajj, while 23,620 people will go through the private scheme. Do you want to know more about any specific city or scheme? Hajj is one of the 5 main pillars of Islam. Let's learn what Hajj is, why it is important, and how it is performed. Hajj is a worship that every able Muslim man or woman must do once in a lifetime. It is performed every year in the Islamic month of Dhul Hijjah in Makkah. The purpose of Hajj is not only worship, but also self-reflection, spiritual cleansing, and freedom from worldly desire. Hajj is based on the sacrifice of Prophet Ibrahim and his son Ismail. Prophet Ibrahim saw in a dream that Allah asked him to sacrifice his son. He obeyed Allah's command, and this act of obedience became an example for all time. That's why we do certain actions in Hajj like sacrifice, sa'i between Safa and Marwa, and stoning the devil at Jamarat. The main steps of Hajj are 1. Ihram, starting Hajj with special intention and clothing. 2. Tawaf, walking around the Kaaba 7 times. 3. Sa'i, walking between Safa and Marwa hills. 4. Stay in Arafat, the most important part of Hajj. 5. Night in Muzdalifah. 6. Rami al-Jamarat, throwing stones at the pillars, symbol of Satan. 7. Sacrifice, following the sunnah of Prophet Ibrahim. 8. Halq or qaza, shaving or trimming the hair. Hajj teaches us humility, patience, and closeness to Allah. When millions of people wear the same clothes and bow before the same God in the same place, all differences disappear. It teaches us unity, equality, and brotherhood. The true purpose of Hajj is to return free from sins and start a new life. If you can afford it, make the intention for Hajj. It's a journey that changes your heart, your soul, and your action. May Allah bless us all with the chance to visit His house.